Hi, welcome back to Jazzie Nails. So today I wanted to show you guys really quick how I packed my sizing kit orders. And sizing kits are perfect for customers who want to have the nail tips in their hands and be able to physically see which size fits them best. So they can write their sizes down on the card that's included, and then whenever I receive them, I keep them in their customer info for future orders. And each sizing kit comes with all the nail tip sizes offered for the nail shapes that they requested. So sometimes nail tips include sizes 00 through like 11. So whatever is included in the nail tips shape that they wanted, I include all of the nail tips that's offered. So that way they can get the perfect fit. Now, another way customers can get their nail sizes is by measuring their nail beds. And I have a video here to show you how to do that. And another way you can use is the quarter method, which I personally do not prefer for my business, but I can show you how to do that in a separate video if you're interested. Just comment down below because I don't know unless you tell me. Now, I typically write the nail sizes on each nail tip so the customer can easily see, but I did not do that here, but I'll include a video at the end where I did, and it's just a little extra step that makes the process even more convenient for customers. And these are the finished sizing kits. Now, once these have been delivered, I do recommend sending a follow-up email with a promotional discount to customers who ordered sizing kits but didn't order after a few days, just to remind them. And then this is just a full video of me actually putting in the nail tip sizes and then packing them up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.